Today, we're unleashing the heavyweights of excavation, the top 10 heaviest excavators in the world. These machines are the true giants of the dirt world. So, hold on tight because we're diving into the extreme realm of mega excavators. Let's begin. Caterpillar 6090 FS. Let's start with the Caterpillar 6090 FS, which is currently the heaviest excavator in the world, proudly born in the heart of the United States. This colossal marvel isn't just a machine, it's a force of nature designed for the grand stage of large-scale mining and the monumental task of overburden removal. Brace yourself as it takes a whopping 90 cubic meters of material in a single formidable bite, boasting a bucket capacity that defies belief, exceeding a staggering 120 tons. Fueled by a relentless 4,500 horsepower engine, this beast doesn't just move earth, it moves mountains literally. Imagine the ground-shaking power as it stands at an operating weight of 1,102 tons, towering at a height of 27 meters, with a boom stretching out to an impressive 23 meters. The Caterpillar 6090 FS is not just a machine, it's a symphony of power, precision, and pure engineering excellence, ready to redefine the very essence of large-scale mining. Bucyrus RH400. Another heavyweight excavator is the Bucyrus RH400, manufactured by Bucyrus International in the United States, though it's no longer in production. This American giant was more than just a machine, it was a symbol of large-scale mining and heavy-duty excavation at its finest. Imagine this behemoth in action, armed with a formidable 45 cubic meter bucket and propelled by a roaring 3,800 horsepower engine, asserting its dominance in any terrain it encountered. With an operating weight of 916 tons, a towering height of 24 meters, and a boom extending 20 meters, this powerhouse was a true force to be reckoned with. The Bucyrus RH400 may have retired from the stage, but its impact echoes through time, a testament to the era when it stood tall, reshaping the very definition of mining excellence. The Bucyrus RH400 is commonly used in large-scale mining operations around the globe. Hitachi EX8007. Enter the realm of mining mastery with the Hitachi EX8007, a Japanese juggernaut that redefines heavy-duty excavation and overburden removal. Imagine the scene as it tackles the challenge with a colossal 73 cubic meter bucket and a robust 3,400 horsepower engine, effortlessly chewing through the most stubborn materials in its path. Weighing in at a formidable 911.6 tons, standing tall at 26 meters, and extending its reach with a 22-meter boom, the Hitachi EX8007 is a symphony of power and precision. It's not just a mining marvel, it's a testament to Japanese engineering excellence, ready to leave an indelible mark on the landscape it transforms. Brace yourself for the spectacle as the Hitachi EX8007 takes center stage in the world of heavy-duty mining, showcasing the perfect fusion of strength, capability, and technological prowess. Liebherr R9800. Forget puny backhoes and wimpy bulldozers, the Liebherr R9800 has entered the arena, and it's ready to redefine earth-moving. This German-born beast isn't just an excavator, it's a mining monster built to conquer the toughest jobs on the planet. Imagine a machine that can scoop up a mountain in a single bite. That's the R9800, with its 42 cubic meter bucket that swallows dirt, rock, and anything else in its path like a prehistoric snack. But don't underestimate its finesse. A 3,600 horsepower engine pumps through its veins, giving it the precision of a surgeon and the punch of a heavyweight champion. Standing 27 meters tall, taller than most buildings, the R9800 casts a shadow over entire work sites. Its 21-meter boom stretches out like a robotic arm, unearthing hidden treasures and placing massive loads with terrifying accuracy. This isn't just a machine, it's a monument to engineering, a testament to human ingenuity and the raw power that lies beneath the German soil. Hitachi EX1200. Move over, mountainous R9800, because the Hitachi EX1200 from the land of the rising sun is here to prove that size isn't everything. Don't let its slightly smaller stature fool you. This Japanese samurai of steel packs a punch that'll leave you speechless. While the R9800 might be the king of gargantuan scoops, the EX1200 is the ninja of efficiency. Its 36 cubic meter bucket is a ninja's blade, slicing through overburden and stripping mines with precision and speed. Underneath its sleek hood, a 2,200 horsepower engine hums like a whispered mantra, fueling every movement with controlled ferocity. This 710-ton Titan stands 23 meters tall, a silent guardian over its domain. Its 19-meter boom dances like a geisha's fan, placing massive loads with delicate grace. The EX1200 is a testament to Japanese craftsmanship, where power and precision intertwine in a beautiful dance of destruction. XCMG XE7000. The earth trembles and giants clash. From the east rises the XE7000, a Chinese dragon awakening to claim its place in the excavator arena. This is no mere challenger, it's a rising star, a testament to the dragon's fire burning bright. The XE7000 is a force of nature, a 700-ton colossus that scoops up mountains like pebbles. Its 47 cubic meter bucket is a gaping maw, swallowing overburden and spitting out progress with each monstrous bite. A heart of steel beats within, a 3,400 horsepower engine that roars like a dragon's breath, propelling this behemoth with unstoppable might. 25 meters tall, the XE7000 casts a long shadow, surveying its domain with the wisdom of an ancient dragon. Its 20-meter boom unfurls like a mighty wing, placing massive loads with an almost mystical precision. This is no mere machine, it's a symbol of China's rising power, an excavator sculpted from ambition and forged in the fires of innovation. Komatsu PC8000. Move over, mere mortals, for the Komatsu PC8000 has entered the ring. This Japanese titan isn't just an excavator, it's a colossus of steel, a champion born to conquer the toughest mining landscapes. Imagine a machine that can devour mountains in a single gulp, its 47 cubic meter bucket tearing through earth and rock with the ferocity of a dragon. Under its hood roars a 3,600 horsepower engine, a mechanical heart pumping power through every joint and piston. Standing at 27 meters, the PC8000 casts a shadow over entire work sites. Its 22-meter boom, a mechanical arm of unimaginable strength, dances with mountains, placing massive loads with the precision of a samurai. This isn't just a testament to Japanese engineering, it's a symbol of raw power and unyielding determination. Hitachi EX5606. Tremble, mountains, for the Hitachi EX5606, a mining monster from Japan, has arrived. This is no mere excavator, it's a mechanical behemoth, built to conquer the toughest open pit and surface mining operations. Forget dainty scoops, the EX5606 wields a monstrous 34 cubic meter bucket, swallowing mountains in a single, earth-shattering bite. Its heart, a powerful 1,500 HP Cummins engine, roars with the fury of a dragon, propelling this titan through any terrain. Standing 26 meters tall, the EX5606 casts a long shadow, dominating entire work sites. Its 22-meter boom, a steel extension of its formidable might, dances with unimaginable loads, placing them with the precision of a seasoned samurai. Liebherr R9800. Hailing from the engineering powerhouse of Germany, the Liebherr R9800 is a titan of the mining world. This 345-ton behemoth tackles large-scale projects with its 22 cubic meter bucket, devouring earth and rock with impressive efficiency. Unlike its monstrous cousins, the R9800 relies on sophisticated technology to maximize its bite, ensuring every scoop is precise and productive. Imagine a surgeon wielding a shovel the size of a car. That's the R9800, a masterful blend of brute force and intelligent design. This German champion proves that size isn't everything. Sometimes, it's the smarts behind the muscle that truly conquers the earth. Caterpillar 6060. The Caterpillar 6060, hailing from the United States, stands as a formidable giant in the realm of mining excavators. Specifically designed for the purpose of mining, this colossal machine is a key player in large-scale mining operations. Boasting impressive capabilities, the Caterpillar 6060 excels in both digging and loading tasks, making it an indispensable asset in the extraction of valuable resources from the earth. With a weight of approximately 663 tons, this heavyweight excavator signifies its robust construction and durability. The sheer power of the Caterpillar 6060 is further emphasized by its substantial bucket capacity, capable of handling a remarkable 32 cubic meters of material in a single operation. In the world of mining machinery, the Caterpillar 6060 stands tall, embodying American engineering prowess and efficiency in resource extraction on a grand scale.